Artificial intelligence is everywhere. One can barely escape hearing about AI and the way it will transform the world. Detractors warn that it steals intellectual property and will systematically rob humans of our ability to reason and create. Proponents celebrate how much time it will save and how much benefit it will bring to people. Many might even believe that AI will enable them to have all the talents that once took years of committed learning. Forget learning the piano, type a prompt into an engine, and voila, music. No need to spend countless hours learning how to paint or write when an AI can spit out something in seconds. Even tasks like filtering applicants for a job or finding prospective clients can be handed over to AIs. Perhaps one area where it seems like a given that AI will take over completely and easily is that of coding. Wouldn't an AI made up of code be able to create code better than a human? The answer is more complicated than that. Yes, AI can help code something faster, but it cannot replace humans. Great developers can use their skills and AI to code, but an AI on its own cannot completely replace a human developer. Think of it like digging a ditch. Once upon a time, digging a ditch meant breaking out the pickaxes and shovels. Depending on the length and depth of the ditch, the man-hours required to dig a reasonably precise ditch could be very high. Adding more men to the project would cut down on the days required, but not the man-hours, as more men working in a day means more man-hours spent in a day and thus more work done. Enter backhoes. Backhoes have the ability to quickly dig a ditch. However, backhoes are a tool that need a skilled operator. A random person might sit on a backhoe and try to dig a straight and precise ditch, but if they have never used a backhoe before, the ditch they dig will be neither straight nor precise. In fact, the time wasted trying to correct progressive errors might take more time than just using a pickaxe and shovel. However, an operator with the skills to use the backhoe can slash the man-hours needed for the project while also bringing greater accuracy. So what does ditch digging have to do with developers and AI? Well, AI is like a backhoe. Yes, it can create code with speed, but in the hands of a novice operator, the likelihood of it creating code that does exactly what the user hopes isn't very high. Any mistakes or issues will probably be beyond the skills of the novice user to fix on his or her own. A skilled developer can use AI to create code faster and better. What once might have taken a developer 4 hours to do might take only an hour with AI. There is still a lot of skill involved in telling the AI exactly what kind of code is needed, but with AI, a developer can save time and ultimately money. At Swan Software Solutions, our developers are already working with AI to become more efficient. Their knowledge of coding allows them to put AI to work to better serve clients. If you'd like to discover more about how our team could help your team use AI, or for other technology services, visit swansoftwaresolutions.com to schedule a free assessment.